Well, hello my lovelies. If this is the first time watching my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, give me a very big like and share the video with your fellow mamas who would love to learn about healthy snacking. Let's go. So ladies, today I will be sharing with you 4 of my favorite healthy snacking that I always go for almost every day. Alright, so one of them is very easy. If you have carrots at home and if you have cucumber, this is what you can do. You can make the carrot sticks and the cucumber sticks and make a dip with it. The dip can consist of plain yogurt and maybe some herbs that you have at home. It is as simple as that. Or if you want something else to go with your carrot stick and your cucumber stick, you can maybe buy some hummus in the grocery shop or make one yourself. There are a lot of recipes on how to make hummus out here. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the word very good, but I'm trying, okay? So hummus, try making that yourself or just go and buy one at the store. Please check on the sodium level because you do not want to have a lot of sodium in your system, okay? That will cause a lot of bloating. Now, the second kind of snack that I totally love is apples. And I don't eat any apple, okay? So I always go for Pink Lady because that's my favorite kind of apple. And I top that up with some, you want to know what this is? This is peanut butter, yeah. And it goes so well, they marry each other so well and it tastes so good. I promise you. Try this one out, but go easy on the peanut butter though, okay? Because it can sit in places you don't want that to be. Be easy on the peanut butter, ladies. All right, now the third kind of snack here is some toast. So this is a whole grain toast that I have, and then I have some mashed avocado on it, and I have boiled eggs. This is one boiled egg there. So I have my good carbs and then I have my good fats, which is the avocado, and I top it up with the eggs. All right, so I have carbohydrates, fats, and protein. This will keep me full very long until my next meal, and I will not be binge eating. I will not be having cravings for those sweet things that my body really doesn't need. My fourth snack is plain yogurt topped up with raspberries. If you have frozen raspberries at home, that will work very well, or you can buy some in the store, the fresh ones. So I have raspberries and then I have blueberries, and I usually top it up with some walnuts, just a handful of walnuts in there, and then you take some honey or you take some syrup and just drizzle it all over the bowl, and then you get munching up. You munch that thing so good. This is good stuff. Okay, so especially if you are working out, like I worked out today, so before I sleep, this is what I'm getting into my system because I want this to work while I sleep. You know that protein is the building block of your body, okay? So when you've worked out, you need to consume a lot of protein so your body can repair while you sleep, while you get your beauty sleep. So I hope that you've learned something today from my channel. If you like this video, share it with your fellow mamas. Give me the like and subscribe to my channel. And by the way, I have a cheat sheet that I'm giving away actually. It is a food swap kind of cheat sheet that I have. So if you're interested in that and would like to start living a healthy lifestyle, you have to start switching the foods you have in your kitchen. This cheat sheet is going to help you with those kind of foods, so you know exactly what to switch with what. If that is something interesting to you, I'm going to drop the cheat sheet in the description box below. If you want it, grab it. All right? And thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.